let's talk about how to copy a campaign in BluHorn. This feature will save you time and energy, making your life easier by allowing you to duplicate work with just a click of a button. To copy a campaign, navigate to Campaigns in the main menu and select All Campaigns. Here you'll see a list of the available campaigns you have in our system. Simply search for the one you'd like to copy, either by client or campaign name, and click on the copy icon at the end of the line. On the pop-up, select the client you'd like to copy the campaign to. It does not need to be the same client, and simply click Copy. Next, you'll be taken to a queue where you'll be able to see the progress. When the copying has been completed, you'll see Completed listed for that campaign. Now, click on the new copied campaign name to start working with the new campaign that has been created. Your settings, worksheets, and lines have all been copied over. You can now make adjustments and changes as you need to. That's it. You're now able to copy campaigns in BluHorn. In need of some help? Click the life raft in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to create a support ticket. A trusted member of our customer support team will reach out to help. Want to see more video tutorials just like this one? Head on over to bluhorn.com/videos for an online knowledge base of video tutorials where you can learn more about BluHorn on demand.